black and white, it feels so right. Tiny paws but full of might, in our cozy flat tonight. Roxie's got a playful heart, from the morning to the dark. Affectionate, a little spark, purring softly leaves a mark. Roxie, Roxie, fierce and free, dancing through the curtains, glee. Feline queen, we all agree. Roxie, Roxie, stay with me. Feisty whiskers, sharp and clear, hunting shadows always near. Softest purrs that we can hear. Love you, Roxie, have no fear. Roxie rules the small domain, in her palace never plain. Affectionate but can't contain, feisty nature in her reign. Leaping high, she owns the sky. Roxie dear, you're my ally. In the night with moons to spy, you're the sparkle in my eye.